How you going, guys? It's Josh here from Royal Brown Caravan Services again. Today what we've done, this is the customer's old aerial. He came in for us to have a test of his aerial. When we tested it, it was that old, it wasn't receiving any RFI signal. So what we've actually done, we've quoted him up on a brand new Winegard setup. This setup's a lot better because you've got two of the Winegard sensor aerials on it, and you can wind it up and you can adjust it in various angles to tune your TV good. So basically all we've done here today is mounted this on this panel here, due to the old aerials mounted in this area, right next to the corner of the cabinet. Because the Winegard has got a winder inside, we had to move it over, and the reason that's why we've put this cover panel there to cover up these old holes in his roof. So if you guys have any other questions about aerials or anything, comment on Facebook or give us a call.